Hello YouTube, it's just a mock-up. I've got the bed all cleaned up. I have that moly graphite grease on it. And ain't that smooth. You could just tell that. Oil, it kind of drags. I put it on grease. This isn't clamped down yet now. I have those little pieces I showed the other day with the screws, little metal things that hold in the front, and then that thing with a wing nut in the back. It's a blue piece of metal. Seems nice and smooth. I just got this mocked up here. This whole thing's covered with oil, even upside down. I had it upside down. I took a brush, a paintbrush. It's coated in motor oil. So sitting out here in the moisture, it's never gonna rust. There you go. Just a real quick sneak peek video there of it. This kind of a mock-up. We'll zoom in a little bit. Cute little tailstock. And that's it. Thanks for watching.